Welcome back to the Steel Rubber Products How-To series. This is Rhea here with the marketing department at Steel Rubber Products. Today we are going to talk about how to install a seal on one of the most common windows you will find on an RV, the run channel on a sliding glass window. First, you will need to remove the old run channel seal. This needs to be done carefully as the glass will not have anything to securely sit in once the seal is removed. Next, you need to identify the type of seal you have. You can do this by looking at the profile of the seal. You can refer to our how-to video on determining seals if you need any help. You can also refer to our RV catalog and website. Next, you need to take measurements. You will want to note the height and width of your seal. You will also need to measure the perimeter of the window. Take note of any drainage holes, as you may want to cut these back into the new rubber. We do want to point out that if you purchase a seal from us and alter it in any way, we cannot accept it as a return. The seal we are using in the video today is part number 70-3579-58. You can find this part in our RV catalog or on our website. After removing the seal, you will need to clean the area of any dirt and debris. You can do this with a handheld vacuum or brush the dust out using a rag. If you use a rag, you can add a little water to the rag to help pick up the dirt easier. To install the window seal, it is easiest to start where the window would slide over and work your way around. As carefully as you can, push the seal into the channel and slide it as close to the center of the window as possible. This may take some time, but it helps make your job easier later. When you get to the bottom of the window, you may have to cut drainage holes. Again, we can't accept a return if you do this, but we do understand it may be necessary to alter the part to fit your specific needs. Next, working from the inside of the RV, start at the top and work your way down as before. When you get to the end, cut a little extra length to create a tight seal. You can then run your window back and forth to help make sure the seal is completely in the track. That wraps up how to install a sliding glass window seal. Thanks again for tuning into our video. If you liked our video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest how-to videos from Steel Rubber Products.